Now I am going to show the recipe for dinner, particularly for the persons who are following 100% uncooked diet. That too for cancer patients, autoimmune disorder and obesity, even for the general health. Now this dish I call Makhana salad. In English, this Makhana nuts called fox nuts. Generally we think that if you take this, can we get sleep or not? No, it's having all nutritious ingredients which are having rich protein, vitamins and essential fatty acids also, plus medicinal valued certain herbs, what we call masala. Now I will explain you. Makhana, roasted chickpea, peanuts, coriander, green chilies, lemon, dry coconut, onion, tomato, black pepper powder, salt. Preparation is very simple. We have to take all these ingredients. Now I am going to mix all these ingredients which I have told you. This makhana should be very crispy. So I am adding major portion is makhana, 30 to 40%. And this roasted chickpea without oil, 2 tablespoons. And roasted peanuts without oil, 2 tablespoons. Tomato, 2 tablespoons. Onion, 2 tablespoons. And dry coconut, chopped one, 2 tablespoons. Now I am adding black pepper. Here you can add even chaat masala also. Green chilies according to your taste. And salt according to your taste you can add. Lemon, if at all you require, you can use half a lemon or 1 lemon for the taste. Now let us mix it everything. Now you can see the makhana salad. You can really enjoy it, and it's having all the nutritious ingredients and also easily digestible proteins.